Welcome to Anime Learn English. Let's embark on a fun-filled English learning adventure. Today, we'll expand your vocabulary and enhance your listening skills.
The school bell is ringing. It's time for class. Let's head inside.
Let's hustle.
Good morning, class.
Good
morning,
teacher.
How's everyone doing this bright morning?
We're
fantastic.
Thank you.
Wonderful. I'm thrilled to see you all bright and early. Let's have a productive day.
Excuse me, teacher. Could I open the window, please? It's a bit warm in here.
By all means. It's quite stuffy in here today, isn't it?
Good morning, teacher. I apologize for being late. I hope I haven't disrupted the class. May I come in?
Certainly. Please take your seat. Try to be on time next time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's see who remembers what day it is. Hands up for the answer. Emma, your hand is up. What's your answer?
It's Monday.
Excellent. You may sit down now. And what is today's date, Jason?
It's the 17th of September.
Speak up, please. I couldn't quite hear you.
It's September 17th.
Correct. Well done. Have we all completed our homework assignments?
Yes, we have.
Fantastic. Let's review it then. Now, everyone, please turn to page 20. Let's delve into this interesting reading passage.
Teacher, may I ask a quick question, please?
Yes, of course.
What's the definition of this word?
Listen carefully and repeat after me. Environment.
Environment. I'm not quite sure. Could you repeat that, please?
How do you spell it?
E N V I R O N M E N T. Please write it down in your notebooks.
Excuse me, teacher, I seem to have misplaced my pencil. Could I perhaps borrow one from a classmate?
Yes, certainly. It's break time, everyone. Have a wonderful rest.
Goodbye, teacher.
What's your favorite subject, guys?
My favorite is science. What about you two?
I adore English. I really enjoy math. It's quite challenging and rewarding.
Break time is over. Back to class now, everyone.
What's next on the timetable? P.E. Do you enjoy P.E.? Yes, I do. But I like music even more. I love singing. How about you? P.E.'s okay, but my favorite is geography. I enjoy learning about different countries and cultures.
School's out. Time to head home.
Fancy coming to my place this afternoon? We could play some basketball.
Yes, I'd love to.
Great! I can't wait. See you later then.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.